Hi guys, I just got my brand new super smart vacuum. Let's get this thing open and check it out. I am so excited to not have to do the vacuuming myself and that this is all automated. Let's flip this over. All right, we have the instruction manual, which I will be sure to read. But let's just see everything else that comes in the box. We got the charger, the actual vacuum itself, so we gotta charge it before first use, it says. It's got great big wheels, really nice rubber brush inside here. I guess we put our little side bristles. It's got two. I've never seen that before. It's got a left and a right front bristle. That's exciting. And they're right here. Let's just snap them on. All the vacuums I've seen, this is one of the reasons I chose it, only had one bristle on the side to catch things. This has two. So that'll be really great for all the pet hair that I have everywhere. And those just snap on nicely. So that's going to be able to get things just pretty much everywhere, all over the house, which is perfect. So let me just give you a full view. It's got all the cameras so it can see where it's going and what it's doing. It's got its home button, power button. Let's see. And I think if we lift this up, that is our dirt removal tray, which just easy is going to come out. And then also we have the brush for cleaning. So you can clean the bristles with that. It's got a little handle you pull it out with. Got your filter system and then your little basket for holding all the dirt. Easy to dump. You can see the brush right from there, how it works. I like that, the handle built in, making it easy to release. And that hides right in there inside the vacuum, so easy to dump out. All right, it also comes with a remote, so I can control it manually, whatever direction I want around the room if I choose to. It also works with voice control, Google Mini, and it has an app you can download as well. All of these features I read online and look forward to using. Here's the actual charging dock and station. So it just has to sit on these two things and it will charge. Got some spare extra brushes for when your other ones get yucky. You can replace them with these. Got your boundary magnet. Anywhere you don't want it to go, you want to set up a boundary. Also have extra filters. And then you got some zip ties to organize any cords you don't want laying around. That's nice that they threw that in there as well. Super impressed with the vacuum style already. It's not huge. It's a really nice, decent style with some really great wheels with grip. And the two brushes really impressed me. So can't wait to get using this, guys. Thanks for checking it out with me.
Start spot cleaning.
Okay, this vacuum is so nice. It comes with a lot of different things. It comes with magnetic strip that you can cut. You can put it on the floor for any areas you don't want the vacuum to go. These are little adhesive strips to stick it to the floor. It comes with a little remote control and batteries included as well. This is the charging station. And this is the cord, the plug for it. It comes with some zip ties to help you organize cords. This is an extra little filter for the vacuum. And then two of each of the little side sweeping brushes. And this is the vacuum. It opens up right here. It comes with a nice little cleaning brush. It's easy to remove a little bin. There's where you put the filter. Empty it easily. Slides right back in. And then underneath, got these really nice wheels with really good treads and everything. The brush. And then here is where you put the side brushes. They're clearly labeled. And then on the bottoms of the brushes, they have a left and right marking on them as well. So you don't get them on the wrong one. You just pop them on and get it charged up. And it's good to go. I'm very excited to get this thing charged and start using it.
Alexa, turn Betty on.
Start automatic.
Alexa, turn Betty off.
Recharge.